Honor's number series phones have become known for offering flagship-level specs at mid-range prices. We saw this in 2023 with the impressive Honor 90 and the Honor 70 before that. While previous models included Pro variants exclusive to China, they've never made their way to Europe, until now. The Honor 200 Pro is a step up from last year's Honor 90. Rather than targeting the upper mid-range market, it aims at the lower tier of flagship devices, competing with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S24 rather than the A55. At this level, you need top-notch cameras, blazing fast performance, and cutting-edge features to stand out, and the Honor 200 Pro delivers on all fronts. One of the most exciting features is a new set of portrait effects developed in collaboration with the renowned studio Harcourt. These work like filters with some AI magic, resulting in stunning photos. The device is solid across the board. The Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset ensures smooth daily operations and a great gaming experience. The massive 5200mAh battery offers long-lasting power, and its charging speeds are among the fastest in its class, both wired and wireless. Competition is fierce, with devices like the Samsung Galaxy S24 and Google Pixel 8 appealing to some buyers. These offer advanced AI features and longer support windows, but the Honor 200 Pro excels in battery life and portrait capabilities. Whether it suits you depends on your priorities. Design. Sleek gradient matte glass back, Casa Milà-inspired camera surround IP65 dust and water resistance. The Honor 200 Pro stands out with its unique elongated circular camera surround, inspired by the shape of Barcelona's Casa Milà. It looks like a plane window or a turret from Portal, and the design grows on you, setting it apart from the sea of circular and square camera bumps. The silver bezel around the camera glass adds a premium touch. Elsewhere, the design is more conventional. The phone has curved edges on the front and back, making it feel slim and comfortable to hold. There's a high-gloss metal frame around the edges. The back is made of glass with a smooth gradient matte finish, similar to recent Vivo flagships like the X100 Pro. It feels elegant and is completely resistant to fingerprints, though it's slippery, so using a case is advisable. Fortunately, a clear TPU case is included in the box for protection. The Honor 200 Pro is available in 3 colors: Moonlight White, Black, and Ocean Cyan. The white version, which I tested, has a marble-like pattern reminiscent of a luxury kitchen countertop. Display. The Honor 200 Pro features a 6.78-inch quad-curved 120Hz OLED display with 3840Hz PWM dimming and a peak brightness of 4000 nits. The dynamic refresh rate adjusts between 60Hz and 120Hz depending on content, balancing smooth performance with battery efficiency. While not as advanced as an LTPO panel, it still offers impressive battery life without sacrificing smooth scrolling or high refresh rate gaming. Though I generally prefer flat displays, the Honor 200 Pro's subtle curves provide a comfortable grip. However, this curvature can lead to accidental touches. Despite this, the display is sharp, high resolution, and vibrant, with excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The eye health features are a welcome addition, and the 3840Hz PWM dimming significantly reduces flicker to minimize eye strain. Cameras. The Honor 200 Pro is equipped with 50MP main camera, f1.9, 50MP 2.5x telephoto, f2.4, 12MP ultra-wide macro, f2.2, 50MP wide-angle selfie camera. Honor markets this device as the Portrait Master, and it backs up that claim with impressive hardware. The main camera excels in low light, thanks to its large sensor and OIS. The 2.5x telephoto lens, while not the longest, still delivers excellent results up to 5x zoom before quality degrades. The ultra-wide lens captures detailed macro shots but struggles in low light. The 50MP selfie camera has a wide field of view, perfect for group shots but lacks autofocus, so you'll need to position yourself carefully for the best results. The standout feature is the new Portrait mode, developed with Studio Harcourt. Harcourt Classic and Harcourt Tone add stunning black and white and warm color filters respectively, with excellent edge detection and artificial bokeh effects. However, these effects are limited to the main and telephoto rear cameras. For video, the Honor 200 Pro supports up to 4K 60 FPS on the main and telephoto cameras and 4K 30 FPS on the ultra-wide and selfie cameras. The videos are well stabilized, and the software offers numerous manual controls and features. Performance. The Honor 200 Pro is powered by the new Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This combination brings near-flagship performance at a more affordable price. The phone feels responsive, with quick app launches and smooth multitasking. In benchmarks, the Honor 200 Pro slightly lags behind Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 devices in graphical performance, but sometimes surpasses them in computational tasks. It's not the top-tier performer, but it's a capable gaming device, outperforming Exynos-powered Galaxy S24 and Pixel 8 models. Games like Wuthering Waves run smoothly at maximum settings. While the phone gets warm under heavy load, it remains comfortable to hold, thanks to Honor's efficient vapor chamber cooling system. Software. The Honor 200 Pro runs macOS 8.0, based on Android 14. This heavily customized skin differs significantly from stock Android, taking inspiration from Apple by separating the notification shade and quick settings menu, disabling the app drawer by default, and including a dynamic island-like feature called Magic Capsule. There is some bloatware to clean up during setup, mainly Honor's own apps. Additionally, Magic Capsule occasionally had issues, such as not responding to media controls, likely due to pre-release software and expected to be resolved in updates. Battery. The Honor 200 Pro features a 5200 mAh silicon carbon battery, offering impressive longevity. It easily lasts a full day of heavy use, with a day and a half being no problem, and possibly up to 2 days with light use. Charging is exceptionally fast with the included 100W wall charger, talking about 50 minutes to go from 0% to 100%. A 30-minute charge brings it up to around 70%. The phone also supports 66W wireless charging with Honor's supercharge stand. This stand delivers full power, charging the phone completely in about an hour. The convenience and speed of wireless charging make it a worthwhile investment. Price. The Honor 200 Pro was launched alongside the Honor 200 in China on May 31, 2024, and made its global debut in Paris on June 12, 2024. It is available for pre-order in Europe but has no planned release in the US or Australia. Priced at $699.99 in the UK, the Honor 200 Pro comes with 512 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. Conclusion. The Honor 200 Pro offers a wealth of high-end features, including efficient performance, good battery life, and an impressive camera setup at a reasonable price. While it's not the cheapest Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 smartphone, that title goes to the Poco F6. The Honor 200 Pro is a better choice if camera quality is a priority for you.